Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your favorite realtor, Steven Kieran with Sunshine Property Management and Keller Williams Realty. Today we're taking a trip over to Ocean View Avenue, right off 4th Street. This is going to be dubbed Little Blue Part 2. We're going to be featuring the other side of a duplex that we helped rent out about a year ago, I believe. Again, over in the Ocean View section, right off 4th View, kind of in the heart of everything. Super convenient access to the bases, or if you need to hop over to Hampton, Newport News, Virginia Beach, whatever your needs are. It's an amazing little property, just renovated, sits on the water. It's got a 2-car garage, which is pretty awesome for a duplex or townhouse style of any sort like that. And so it's got 2 bedrooms, bath and a half, got your half bath downstairs, then a full bath upstairs. And one of the both bedrooms have a little balcony off of it. So let's go inside and see what the property has to offer. So you got a little private drive off Ocean View Avenue, so you're not actually sitting on Ocean View Avenue. Come up here. There's 2-car garage. So this is this side. It's full 2-car garage door. Right here, here's the whole unit. One side, 2 sides there. That's the first side stairs you go up. Come right over. Private entry. Alright. Enter. Right there, little stairs. LVP flooring. Flows throughout. Just a little bit of carpet here on the stairs. Kitchen, new cabinetry, fancy gas stove, above range microwave. You have a Formica countertop. Gives you the vision though of granite. Tile backsplash, single compartment sink, gooseneck faucet, garbage disposal. Washer and dryer, front loaders. Cabinets. All brand new. Goes right here into our, got a dining area / living room combo. So right in here you could have a table up against the wall. Couple of chairs, or you could have a square here in the center, so you have your light right above it. There. Then you can come over here, have your living room, and put your TV up on that wall there, or on this wall, because the cable thing is there. Ceiling fan. Okay. Step out back. That's your neighbors. Deck over there. Water. Little backyard. This is the property line. Kind of goes right down there. Little patio. Nice neutral gray tones throughout. Half bath. Brushed nickel fixtures. New vanity. Royal bronze towel rack. This is bedroom number 1. I'd consider it your master or your primary. Probably just because of the fact that it overlooks the water. So you have that nice feature. Balcony number 2. Sit out here, sip some morning coffee. read a book. It's nice. It's a good size, easily fit a king bed over there, or over there on that wall. Still have space in our closet. Good size closet, a shelf. Going into our main bathroom here. Tub, new vanity, toilet, brush nickel light fixture, faucet, chrome towel rack. Bedroom number 2. Also a good size. Nice fancy ceiling fan / light fixture combo. Could also fit a king bed on that wall or that wall. Still have room. Closet. Good size. Balcony number 3. Kind of the front facing for the unit. Same thing, put a little chair out here. Have some breakfast coffee, read a book in the afternoon. Just relax. Got the bay right across the street there. I can zoom in. On the other side of 4th Street. So you can cross right over there. Get down to the Alright, let's go check out the backyard a little bit. Lots of little storage areas down here. Some pavers. You got bikes. Little fire pit. Alright, that's what's up, folks. It's all the time we have out here on Little Blue number 2. This is the second part of this duplex. Fantastic little property out here in Ocean View, right across from the bay. You're on the water, 2-car garage, fully updated LVP flooring, just a little bit of carpet. Got that gas stove if you're into cooking. So hope you enjoyed what you saw here today. Whatever real estate needs are, give me a call, 757-582-1073, 757-582-1073. We'll talk soon.